This is Cooking in Brooklyn with Danny Milano. And I'm Danny Milano. And today we're cooking Veal Costoletta Parmigiana. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network. And let's get this show on the road. Hey, go Bridgeside. All right, so if you watched the last episode, you know it's been a while since I did Cooking in Brooklyn. I got into the construction business. I'm now a local 79 apprentice, but I gotta say, as much as I like breaking walls, I still love breaking eggs. So we're gonna start the process by breaking some eggs. So let's MJ these eggs and beat it! Shimon! Oh, Dave, you're here, huh? Nice to have you in our presence.
I would have missed this for the world.
I hope you're hungry today.
Always come hungry.
Got a little oil waiting for us over here in the pan. We're gonna turn on our flame and we're gonna let this oil get hot. Little backstory, me and Dave, we both visited Italy together twice. And Dave, tell them, one of the things you don't do when you go to an Italian restaurant there is what?
You never, ever order veal or chicken parmesan because they won't know what you're talking about.
And matter of fact, if you do, you're gonna get served ugats. So don't do it. This is an American Italian dish. So we're gonna grab our veal chop, and I got this veal chop pounded thin, all right? And we're gonna dip the veal chop right into the egg. From the egg, we're gonna go right into the breadcrumb. And now, let's throw this veal chop right into the oil. Here we go. You know that oil's hot because you hear that that Rice Krispie kind of sound, you know?
How long does it take to cook in there?
I'd say let it cook on each side in the oil for about a minute on each side. I got simple tomato sauce I made here, so let's warm that up, and we're gonna flip this. Look at that.
That's a beautiful chop right there.
That's a beautiful chop, is right. So if you didn't want to do a Parmesan, this style right here is called Milanese. It's just the egg, the breadcrumb, and just frying it up a little bit.
What other things could you do with veal Milanese? What could you put on it?
I mean, you can leave it plain, squeeze a little lemon. I personally love to do it giardiniera style, where you chop up a little endive, arugula, a little red onion, tomato, make a little insalata, a little salad, throw it right on top. You can even throw some fresh mozzarella on there. A lot of things. Simple though. All right, so this is ready. Let's get this chopped. We're just gonna drain this a little bit. Try to get as much oil as we could off. Our sauce is ready. It's nice and warm. Let's bring that over to us. Let's get our veal chop in the baking tray. Then I'm gonna grab a ladle for this tomato sauce. All right, I'm gonna grab the sauce. We're gonna apply it right on the top of the veal chop, and then we're just gonna spread it out almost like a pizza. Then I'm gonna get my grated Parmigiano Reggiano here, and we're just gonna sprinkle it like it's snowing. And then I got some mozzarella here. We're gonna put that right over the tomato sauce. So while we were doing all this, I had my oven preheated to 375. So we're ready to throw this in.
So Dan, you know, how long is this gonna take? I'm a little hungry over here. Is there any way to speed up the process?
Dave, it's a cooking show, you spurcachong. If you want it fast, then go nuke it in the microwave or something.
I think I'll wait a little bit.
I think so too. And getting to your point, it's maybe 5-6 minutes and it's gonna be ready, once the mozzarella melts.
So what's the difference between using packaged mozzarella compared to using my favorite, fresh mozzarella?
The prepackaged mozzarella melts a lot better than the fresh mozzarella. Even the New York style pizza, they use the prepackaged. Don't let them fool you. So this is ready. We're gonna get it out of the oven. Look at this, huh?
If only you guys could smell this right now.
A little more tomato sauce. And here we go, Veal Costoletta Parmigiana. And now, let the feeding frenzy begin. We feed the pigs, here we go.
I gotta say, this veal, it's perfect. It's very tender, very juicy. I don't know what to say. This is delicious.
Dave, let's be honest. You've never not liked anything that was ever handed to you by me.
You're a good cook, what can I say?
This has been another Cooking in Brooklyn with Danny Milano. This dish is definitely worth it, and it don't costoletta a lot.
Go Bridgeside.
Thanks for coming to my kitchen, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network, and do not miss, I'm making spaghetti buttanesca for the #1 buttana in the kitchen.
I definitely won't miss it.